Are you looking for the best drones under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best drones under $500. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Drone Mavic Mini Combo under $500. Some issues with customer service responsiveness. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds/250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone in the United States and Canada. You can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the government. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini camera drone is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Mavic Mini's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer flycams on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. Mavic Mini supports 12MP aerial photos and two 7K HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear ultra-smooth footage. What you get: DJI Mavic Mini remote controller, 3x intelligent flight battery, 3x pairs of spare propellers, 2x micro USB cable, gimbal protector, RC cable, micro USB connector, RC cable, USB-C connector, RC cable, lightning connector, pair of spare control sticks, 18x spare screwdriver, 360 degrees propeller guard, two-way charging hub, DJI 18W USB charger, carrying bag. DJI Fly app requires iOS v10.0, Android v6.0 or above. Compatible devices include iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11 XS Max, XS XR, X8 Plus, 8, 7 Plus, 7 6S Plus, 6S, 6 Plus, 6 Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, S10, S9 Plus, S9, S8 Plus, S8, S7 Edge, S7, S6 Note 9, Note 8, Huawei P30 Pro, P30, P20, P10, Mate 20 Pro, Mate 10, Nova 5, Nova 4, Nova 3, Nova 2, Honor 8X, 10, 920 Pro, Magic 2, Miles 8, Mix 2S, Mix 2, Redmi Note 5, Oppo Find X or 15, Vivo NEX X27, X21, X20A, OnePlus 7, 65 Pixel 3 XL, 2 XL2, LG V20, LG G6. Number 2. Holystone HS720 Drone under $500. App compatibility issues with some smartphones. FAA-compliant remote ID. The Holystone HS720 4K drone has completed the FAA requirement. No need extra remote ID module. Enjoy worry-free flights, ensuring safety and compliance. 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. The optimized Full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90-degree adjustable lens enable you to see the world from different angles. GPS-assisted intelligent flight. Never lose the drone. It returns automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key return. Also, it is so smart to fly at your will, following you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles. You may focus on your photography and creation. Configuration upgrade. The two intelligent batteries works for 26 minutes per battery for each charge, 52 minutes in total with two batteries. The long-life brushless motors have lower power consumption and give you a quieter flight. The foldable design and well-fitted carrying case make it easy to take the drone outdoor. Don't use batteries from other brands, which may cause product issue or safety concern. Product support available. Simple operation. Equipped multi-sensors guarantee hovering with great stability and high-quality pics taken under different flying environment. Optical flow positioning makes great effect when GPS signal is lost or weak. Functions like one key start/stop, emergency stop, altitude hold and electric fence. Keep it simple to control for even beginners. Considerate controller. The control range of 2.4 GHz transmitter reaches to 3,000 feet high range. Battery level and GPS signal shown on the LED screen. A button to turn on or off the drone light is added. Right-hand throttle mode is available for left-hander. Remember to remove the scratch-proof film from the controller and the camera before use. Number 3. RUO Drone under $500. Camera performance inconsistency reported by some users. The RUO F11 Pro drone comes with a built-in remote ID module and is certified compliant with FAA regulations, ensuring its continued operation after FAA policies take effect. No need extra remote ID module. 6F11 Pro 4K drone equipped with two powerful 11.1V 2500 mAh intelligent batteries provides up to 60 minutes flight time in total, giving you more fun. This 4K drone is an excellent gift for beginners. especially if you want to get your kids/friends/wife/neighbors introduced to drones. It is great for someone who wants to get into the hobby and learn how to fly drones. It comes with beginner settings, easy for you to get started. Intelligent flight features like follow me mode, tap fly, point of interest, and hand gesture shots make you fly like a little pilot. To explore the fun of the aerial film, just one click, it will fly itself and film your creative video. The brushless motor has stronger power, which can make the drone fly more stably and can resist the wind of level 6. The aluminum alloy casing is more durable than others of iron motors. It is durable for a long time used. Experience splendid 4K Ultra HD picture quality and 2.9K/30 FPS video for stunning clarity, high contrast, and vivid colors. Bring amazing view sight. The camera with a degree FOV lens and degree adjustable camera gives a broad view of your memorable moment. The F11 Pro drones with camera for adults 4K will auto-returning to the takeoff location when it's lost signal or low power. Don't have to worry about losing your drone, just enjoy the fun of flying. Number 4. Holystone HS-175D Drone Under $500. Some issues with GPS accuracy and performance. 4K Ultra Clear Camera. 4K camera with 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable provides a high-resolution picture, and able to capture a perfect shot. 5 GHz FPV transmission delivers a smooth and stable videos even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. GPS Auto Return. GPS Assisted Flight. It can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power. Never have to worry about flying it away. Better flight experience. 2 batteries give you up to 46 minutes flight experience. And functions like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one key takeoff/landing and speed adjust make it so easy to beginners or newbies. Considerate design. This drone comes with a carrying case, and the foldable fuselage design allows it easy to store and more portable for outdoor traveling. Weight under 250 g to save you from FAA registration. More intelligent functions. This drone can trace and follow you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles, and when you pose to the camera it will take a photo or video, let you enjoy the wonderful flight experience. Number 5. DJI Drone Under $200. Limited camera settings for professional use. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini camera drone is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds by 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. In the United States and Canada, you can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the government. Mavic Mini supports 12 MP aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. Mavic Mini's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer flycams on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. DJI Fly app requires iOS version 10.0, Android version 6.0, or above. Compatible devices include iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11, XS Max, XS, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8, 7 Plus, 7, XS Plus, XS, 6 Plus, 6, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, S10, S9 Plus, S9, S8 Plus, S8, S7 Edge, S7, S6, Note 9, Note 8, Huawei P30 Pro, P30, P20, P10, Mate 20 Pro, Mate 10, Nova 5, Nova 4, Nova 3e, Nova 2, Honor 8X, 10, 9, 20 Pro, Magic 2, Mi 8, Mix 2S, Mix 2, Redmi Note 5, Oppo Find X, R15, Vivo X, X27, X21, X28, OnePlus 7, 6T, 5, Pixel 3 XL, 2 XL, 2, LG V20, LG G6.